Hello everyone, myself Anju Kashodhan of class 12th. Here I am to tell about reflection of light, how does light reflect and what are the laws of reflection of light. So first of all, what is light? Light is a form of energy produced by light source. Light is a form of energy produced by light source. And light is made up of photons, and photons travels very fast, and photons behave both as waves and particles, and light does not require any medium to travel like sound needs. And now, what is reflection of light? In our daily life, many times we see ourselves in mirror or any shining object, and at least one times in our mind a question arises that how the image can form, how we can see ourselves in other object. So answer of this question is this is due to reflection of light. When light comes from object and falls on mirror, and reflected back, is called, and this is what known as reflection of light. The incident light the light incident in any smooth surface reflect into same medium, and the light reflected or bounces same as ball bounces on the ground, and the reflection of light enable us to see everything around us. Now, laws of reflection of light. There are two laws. First, the angle of incident and angle of reflection is always equal, so here this is surface and is normal line. So angle means incident ray coming from here, and angle of incident represented as angle I, and this goes in the same angle as it comes. So the angles are always equal. The second law is the incident ray normal line and reflected ray